Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hani Suryani. My student number is 17220003. For now, I will explain about material in business English. Chapter 1 until chapter 7. And then chapter 1, definition of interpreting. Interpreting is the validation of spoken or sign language communication between users of different language. In the language industry, there are three primary modes of interpreting: the consecutive, simultaneous, and side translation. In simultaneous interpreting, the interpreter listens and renders the message in the target language at the same time as the speaker is speaking. Chapter 2, Management. Management is the coordination and administration of tasks to achieve a goal. Such administration activities include setting the organization strategy and coordinating the effort to staff to accomplish this objective through the application of available resources. And my opinion is that a good manager is manager who can organize and divide work from his subordinates. Besides that, a good manager is a manager who can cover all the shortcomings of his subordinates to other divisions. Chapter 3, Motivation in business. Motivation is a psychological boost in directing of a person to business goals. In addition, motivation can help maintain business, develop career, and make business successful. Chapter 4, Company Structure. The organizational structure is a line that describes the components that make up the company, where every individual or HR within the scope of the company has their respective position and function. Chapter 5, Recruitment. Recruitment is the process of searching for, finding, inviting, and assigning a number of people from within and from outside the company as prospective workers with certain characteristics and stipulated in human resource planning. Chapter 6, Production. Production is the method of turning raw materials or input into finished good or product in a manufacturing process. In other words, it means the creation of something from basic input. And the last, chapter 7, Logistic. Logistic is important in business. The essence of logistic is the movement of material and goods. Logistic play two sides, the production and marketing sides. From a production perspective, the role of logistic is to procure material from suppliers to company to fulfill the production process. I think it's enough my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.